Regards, my name is Juan Carlos González. Next is going to talk about Evidence 7 from Learning Activity 19, talking about logistics. Improving logistics efficiency. When it comes to using logistics, continuous improvement is necessary to facilitate robust and sustained growth. The following should be considered. Rising price of spin from energy to labor materials poses a challenge to every company's bottom line. By improving the efficiency of their logistics process, companies can gain and sustain hand over their competitors. To implement a plan that successfully optimizes logistics operations, it is important to consider strategies that minimize costs, maximize production capacity, and improve the overall quality of the customer experience. Four essential methods to increase logistics efficiency. 1. Maximize storage. 2. Optimize transportation. 3. Automatic communication technologies. 4. Encourage feedback. When logistics management is a complex process, the use of the overall strain makes it impossible to make the most of the storage, personal transport, and communication resources. Improved logistics plan will inevitably lead to higher productivity, happy customers, and a more profitable company. Thank you.